Yo, it's your boy clocking in with another one. And today, man, I got a whole nother problem, man. Today, man, the Jeep went out on me, man. DOLPH went out on me bad, bro. I'm telling you, he went out on me bad. The starter went out, so now I gotta put a whole nother starter on it, man. So now I'm waiting on the mechanic. So once my mechanic get here, I get back. Bet.
Me, I want what's coming to me.
So, man, just got here.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, my man.
Huh?
Hey, who driving these cars right here?
What car?
The black one there.
Like, what's up?
That man.
Man, this mechanic pulled up, bro. He looked at the joint, man. He talking about he'll be back in 10 minutes. That dude here crazy, man. Alright. Go. What's wrong? So he'll be right back. He going to send a drink. Dude here. Everybody call and tell him I'm good, bro. I might call me another mechanic, man. I ain't got time to keep playing, bro. People keep playing around. Don't nobody want no money, man.
Nope.
Don't nobody want no money. I'm trying to tell you, man. Y'all got kids, man. Make sure y'all get y'all kids a trade, bro. Any kind of trade, man. I'm telling you. Keep them busy. Don't have your kids not knowing that like me. I can't eat. I gotta pay everybody to do stuff. I gotta pay everybody. Yeah. But yeah, I get back bet. Put the starter on the Jeep. I got a starter right here, man. Go right here. Got the starter, gotta put it on. 2 bolts. Yep. Make time Wont on this. Yes, sir. And look. There we go.
Oh, look at that.
Gone.
20 minutes later.
Yes, sir, boy. My neighbor put me back in the game, boy. Look at that. Ooh, look at it. Yo, one mechanic won't do it, the other one will. This right here don't supposed to move like this. How you know this joint is bad? It don't supposed to do none of that. If y'all seen the other one ain't make no kind of noise. Yeah, that's the other one. About to take that back right there. I'm gonna take this to AutoZone right now. Big Head 4 put me on game with AutoZone, so I'm on them now. So I'm about to take that back to AutoZone. Yeah, let's see where it start. Oh yeah, we in the game. Oh yeah, that boy got that new starter. Oh yeah, we in the game now, boy. We in the game, got that new starter. Hold up. Let's turn it off, about turned off, turn back on. Alright, let's do it again. Oh yeah, we're in the game. We're in the game bad. We're in the game. Hold up. Let's see the automated starter work. Let's see that. Hold up. Let me get the key right, the automated starter right here. Come on, bro. What the? Nope. Nope. That can't even start it. What's going on? Nope. My automatic starter won't work. I probably got to reset my key or something. But I don't know. It's starting though. Damn, my automated starter don't work now. Let's see what it started again though. Yeah, it started. We back in the game. We back in the game, cutting up bad. Back in the game.